You've designed these very specifically for those of us who want a quick, fast project, right?
Yeah, I made it super easy. So with grass clippings, you'll just start corner to corner, kind of just line it up.
Oh my goodness.
Super easy.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
then you just have to take that to the iron.
Oh, let me
Yes.
make sure that you're pressing,
Yes.
not ironing.
So you can just start by piecing it like so. And the hardest part's just lining it up. So just take a second and make sure you got in the right spot.
I mean, it doesn't get any simpler. And then if we were to go to the second row,
Yeah, so I like to line it up more along the half square triangles
Okay.
to make sure that they connect as they go down.
that's a good idea.
Yeah,
That's brilliant.
That is a math mind right
That-
there. So guess what I would have
yeah.
done, Robbie?
you would have had to.
Pull out a green Sharpie.
Yeah.